Hello everyone, my name is Vriddhi Agarwal. I'm a student of GoldenBee Global with Vibgyor studying in grade 9. The International Day of Democracy is observed on 15th of September every year that provides an opportunity for us to be able to celebrate the principles of democracy. It is a day established by the United Nations to promote and uphold the values of democracy and to encourage governments and citizens to be able to engage in democratic processes. Democracy is a concept that empowers individuals and communities around the world. It is about giving people a voice, a say in their communities. It has had a transformative impact on the society and the people. It has also promoted freedom, peace, and equality, enabling nations to be able to work together. In a world marked by challenges like climate change, inequality, and global pandemics like COVID, democracy remains our best hope. It fosters innovation, encourages diversity, and enables us to address these challenges collectively. On this International Day of Democracy, let's recommit ourselves to the principles of democracy. Let's uphold the values of freedom, equality, and human rights. Let's celebrate the diversity of voices that make democracy strong. Together, we can build a world where democracy thrives, where no one is left behind, and the promise of a better tomorrow is within reach for all. Let's promise that we continue to work tirelessly to protect and strengthen democracy around the world. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, the beehive of learning.